The XVISHX 65 by 50-inch Baby Playpen offers a spacious area for up to 3 toddlers to play, making it perfect for families to enjoy quality time together. Designed to be a parent's reliable assistant, this playpen provides a secure environment for children to explore and learn independently, allowing parents to multitask with peace of mind. With a 360-degree full vision design, caregivers can easily keep an eye on their little ones from anywhere in the room, enhancing safety and supervision. Crafted from CPSC and ASTM certified materials, the playpen uses high-quality waterproof Oxford cloth and a BPA-free frame to ensure safety and comfort for your child. The playpen is easy to assemble and disassemble thanks to its high-quality alloy steel tubes and ABS plastic connectors, making it convenient for storage and transport. Exceptional customer service is a priority for XVISHX, ensuring any issues with the playpen are promptly addressed to guarantee customer satisfaction.